late night, so I need you.
Galing ng kalsada, sobrang hirap mahalin. Nung ikaw ay dumating, nung nakita mo ako, gusto mo raw akong sagipin. Mula sa aking dilim na ako ring may gawa. Nung nakasama mo ko, ika'y natulala sa mga nangyari sa ating dalawa, na iyong ay nabigla, oh yeah. I don't know what's happened to us. Baby, let's fix this problem fast. Forget the things that I've done in the past. You know that I love you so much. Madaming babae nagsasabi dyan na ako daw isang playa. Hindi nila alam, dating barmang bado sa'yo naging matino na. Baby, can you stay the night? It's dark out here, I need your light. Simple things, don't need to fight. Let's fix this, babe, don't need to bite. I hope nobody knows about us. I just want to let go of my lust. I know that you want to be fucked. I just want to let go this lust. Baby, can you stay the night? Baby, can you stay the night? Just sit right and hold me tight. Don't rush things that make you fright. Love me, baby, to the bone. Make me the man that you can own. I'm one call away on your telephone. You know that I'm on my zone. Hindi nila alam kung ano mga nangyari. Ang daming nagsasabi, pero na di bale, wala ako pake. Kasi pag andyan ka na, baby, di ako mapakali. So better stop talking shit about me. They don't know that I don't want to be free. Droga ang pag-ibig, ang sakit mong mahalin. Saan to parating? Huwag mo na itong isabi sa iba, kasi delikado pag nalaman na nila. Huwag mo na itong ipagmalaki pa, kasi madaming iba dyan na iinggit na. Don't worry baby, I'm all yours. Just don't make baby the other horse. Baby, you're always on my mind, even though that we're not so close. Patagal na patagal, nahuhulog na sa'yo. Di ko na kaya pang itago to, kaya tell your boyfriend that you want me. Baby, you know that all I get the shit. So baby, just admit it. Kasi ready na ako, I need a minute. Kung gusto mo talaga akong makasama, liga na dito sa aking kama, yeah.